Welcome to Capital Central, sponsored by FH Fur. Here's your host, Sherry Wimple.
Today we are here with FH Fur's expert, Ethan. Ethan, can you tell us about the type of training facilities that FH Fur provides its technicians to help customers make the best decisions replacing their HVAC systems?
Sure. The company offers its employees through training and certifications the ability to progress in their chosen career field. So our training facility is set up for technicians of all trades with a state-of-the-art classroom to enable the trainees to have access to the most available information and up-to-date. FH Fur's facilities is where trainees receive valuable hands-on experience as they develop skills required by one of the most technologically advanced fields of study. So we at FH Fur have dedicated ourselves to providing our customers with a level of service that is second to none.
Our in-home expert, Sean, is here to give you some tips on how to know when it's time to replace your HVAC system.
Hi there, Sean here with another handy household tip presented by FH Fur. Here are some common signs that it's time for you to replace your HVAC system. 1. Your heat pump, air handler, boiler, or furnace are more than 10 years old. HVAC systems only last so long. Consider replacing it with a high-efficiency unit. You'll save money, be more comfortable, and more eco-friendly. 2. Your equipment needs frequent repairs and your energy bills keep going up. Don't spend thousands of dollars attempting to resuscitate a system that won't serve you well. 3. Some rooms are too hot or cold. If your guest bedroom is constantly sweltering or your bathroom is strangely chilly, it's more than likely an issue with your HVAC unit. 4. Your heating and cooling system is too loud. You could have undersized ducts or problems with the indoor coil of your cooling equipment.
Thanks for watching Capital Central, sponsored by FH Fur. Please visit fhfur.com.